Hey guys, you saw the video, right? Today we're going to see how to do that stop rain effect using Kinemaster. This video will be really interesting. You watch the video fully. Before that, a sub to the channel will really mean a lot to me. I'll be uploading 3 to 4 videos in a week, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for all the videos. Now without any further ado, let's get started.
Guys, what you have to do is very simple. First, import your footage in Kinemaster and go to layers, add media, and now add the green screen footage of the rain. Go to split screen and make the green screen footage into a full screen, and then go to chroma key and enable the chroma key. Select show mask and adjust the slider until you get the perfect key. Now you may see that the raindrops are in green color. To get rid of it, go to filters, there select basic and select black and white. Then again go to layers, add media, and now add the second green screen footage. Now repeat the same process, go to split screen, make it as full screen, and then go to chroma key, enable the chroma key, select show mask and adjust the slider. Then go to filters, basic, black and white. Now you need to place the footage in a right position, and you may need to increase the speed of the footage or decrease the speed of the footage according to your main footage. And here currently I am slowing down the footage a little bit. And once it's done, make sure you're cropping the footage at the exact timing in the end. Then go to out animation and select snap down. Click on the 3-dot menu in the corner and duplicate the first green screen footage. Then simply move the footage to the other end. And here we go, your stop rain footage is ready.
And guys, that's it for today. I hope you might have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also share this video to your friends who are interested in photography. I will meet you on another interesting video. Until then, it's Sam signing off. Goodbye, take care, stay safe.